Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here with another video. Thank you so much for being here. Today, we're going to be pretty much showing the analysis for today, Monday. Today is Monday, September 20th. Jesus, today was crazy. It is a red day. Look at all these stocks, pretty much all of them red. Everything crashing, even the German 30th, it just melted. Now, I was trying to go actually on some news, and it has to do something with this Evergrande crisis. There's something in China that is messing up. Basically, it's going through a big crisis, and of course, China, we know that is like the manufacturing for pretty much all of it. Like like if you think about it, for Apple, everything is being manufactured over there. Microsoft, things from Amazon, everything in there. And well, according to that, it's basically what is causing the crash. So this is just huge. So we're going to just review what we were able to do today. It was very weird. We were able to actually catch a buy, and it was quite a big buy. If you see it from this perspective, it's just a small push, but we were able to cut it really good. It was actually, let me go on 5 minute right here. I did send actually this to the group. Take profit. I was aiming first to this zone right there. And let me see if I can find it. So I want to share with you also. Let's see here. I'm just looking on my Telegram group here where I shared that analysis. It was pretty much here. Here we go. Here we go. Let me just put it here. All right, there we go. So that one, you see when I send the actual analysis right there, the price was breaking that trend. It was breaking the trend with that single candle right there. And I was actually getting in there aggressively. So the price did started to push up slowly. Plus, you see that big divergence as well in there. This was all in a 5 minute time frame. So started to push up really nice, like right about here. I was sending you voice notes and telling you guys you should be getting out, or you should be at least doing this. I always recommend you to take profit halfway up, okay, to secure some profits, and then move your stop loss to break even. Okay, if you didn't do that, most likely you got stopped out. All right. I was able actually to take some profits when I saw this 5 minute candle closing like that. I was like, you know what? I am out. So I did not take profits right here in the middle. I take them somewhere around here. I left on one open and put it the stop loss to break even. So I got stopped out here on break even. But it was cool. It was good entry. Look at this push just right there. From there, it's about 200 pips. So it was not a small push. It was a big push. If you think about it, like in pips, it was a huge push. But then the price just rejected that zone and then started melting. Now, right now, I'm on another buy. I did another buy right here. I have my stop loss already on break even, because it's very possible that thing is actually going to continue. I'm scared of it, after seeing those stocks just dropping and melting. Look at Apple. It's kind of doing a correction now, but look at the daily. Let's go on a daily. Yeah, look at that massive, even the gap. Look at that massive gap right there. This thing here, it was able to correct a little bit, but huge. Let's see, Amazon also dropping right there. So at this point, let's see how it looks on a 1 day. So this is a daily time frame. So you see massive rejection now, starting to see the rejection, but still this thing could actually continue pushing up, pushing down. I'm sorry, right there. So just be careful, guys, if you're in it. Let's see if we can spot something, a trigger or something. Like right now, there's nothing else in a 4 hour. On 2 hours is just a big wick rejection, which is nice. If you think about it, wicks is good because it could mean the price will now start rejecting now. So hopefully On a 1 hour is looking good, really good with this beautiful engulfing candle. But this thing could maybe during the night, it could actually come back down, maybe retest this zone again and stopping people out. I don't want to move the stop loss and put it here. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just not feeling like that good right now with this thing just falling like that. But at least it's looking good on a 1 hour. Let's go 30 minutes. At least it's breaking. Let's see. Let's try to draw some zones right there. Let me just remove this thing. Try to clean the chart. All right. So let's see a couple of formations we're having. Let's say maybe this is a zone. It's a big zone right there. The price broke very strong. This support, it became a resistance here. You see that doji right there. It tested. Now it broke it. So it's most likely it's going to come back during night. It will come back down. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get stopped out, but I'm going to leave it like that. I don't want to take profits either. I just want to let it run, but safe, you know, at least on break even, just in case. And let's see, let's go 15 minutes. Let's see if we can spot maybe a trend. See if we can spot a trend right there. Yeah, it could be something maybe like that. Okay, so touch, going on the body of the candles, cloning that. So we're still kind of like below. Let's open an indicator. Let's see my lines here, WMA lines. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So right now, I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna get stopped out on the night. This is most likely gonna bounce here. But you see the line is kind of parallel to the trend line right there on a 15-minute. So right now, if it breaks this 100 line, the WMA line, and also breaks the trend, I'm going to go for the TP strategy right there. So I'm going to use my 3 indicators plus price action. So I'm going to look for 4 confluences to go high, to actually, you know, continue buying. So most likely I'm going to be stretching this maybe to the next level right there. Hopefully. We can also use maybe the Fibonacci if you want to know where to take your profit. So from this high to this low. So this is a zone, golden zone. The price could maybe reach anywhere of this zone, if in fact it's actually going to break now, because this thing, like I mentioned, could still continue to the downside. So we're in a very important zone right there. And we can look for those, you know, those who are following the TP strategy. This is a good position for the TP strategy. Plus, you're seeing the divergence also, right? They're really nice on a 15-minute. So, okay, it's starting to look nice actually, at least right now. But let's see what's going to happen right there. That's our point. That's our entry point right there. So, pay attention to that. Have some alerts. I'm going to put a bunch of alerts also around this zone and this zone. If I see starting breaking, most likely I'm going to get in again, maybe more aggressively. But yeah, let's see what's going to happen there. This is with the US30. Now let's jump in right quick on Nasdaq. So yeah, look at that. I did not get in on Nasdaq. Since I just made the entry on US30, I did it here like practice or pretending I made an entry, but I did not make an entry on Nasdaq. Maybe this could actually start pushing up as well. I'm seeing a big divergence also. Look at this in 5 minutes, all the way down. So it's a big divergence. Plus you see the actual trend right there. Let me see if I can. Let me try to stretch it. Let me delete this one. Okay, put it here. All right, so yeah, sure, this is gonna do a pullback. It's gonna do a big pullback. So right there, let's see the WMA lines for the TP strategy. Yeah, it's like, yeah, you see it's almost parallel to the trend line. So just keep an eye on that zone right there and see if we can catch, you know, the breakout also above the 50%, breaking the trend line, breaking the 100, And don't forget about the Ichimoku as well. But yeah, let's keep an eye on it. Let's keep an eye on it to see if it is going to start reacting now. Let's go 1 hour. My God, look at that. Look at that massive drop. I don't know what you think, guys. I don't know if we're gonna have a big correction like immediately, like after the crash that happened in you know, in China, everything that is happening there with that Evergrande. I don't think this is gonna correct like right away. Most likely it's gonna be starting to push up a little slower. Well, hopefully it's gonna push very strong, but after a massive drop like that, we could have maybe a correction. I hope it's going to be something like that. You know, after a massive drop, you immediately see the correction. So it will be really nice after all those bunch of pips dropping right there. This is how it's looking on a daily. So at least you're starting to see a wick rejection right there. So it's a good sign, the wick. It's also rejecting to that zone. It's a 4-hour zone. Yeah, we could definitely start maybe tomorrow. Yeah, look how it's looking on a 1 hour, beautiful engulfing candle, rejecting a 4-hour zone, next 4 hours. So yeah, this is most likely is going to start correcting now. It's a nice trigger. It could be indicating the end of the trend. Remember also using the RSI to detect the end of the trend. When you spot a divergence, it's kind of like the price. The RSI is basically telling you that that could be the end of the trend. It could be, doesn't mean that it will be. So, you know, if the crash continue tomorrow, so just be careful there, guys. That's it. That's what I wanted to show you. Analysis for today for Nasdaq and US30. How it's looking. By the way, let's see. Gold. I think gold started to push up a little bit. Yeah, gold started to push up a little bit, but it's still in that zone. So it's very possible that they could still get some rejection and drop. Bitcoin dropping. Bitcoin is dropping. It's just rejecting that zone. Most likely is going to reach again the 30, maybe 40, 38 or 40K right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Let's see what is going to happen. Let's see if we can catch at least another pullback right there. You know, because this was with the New York Stock Exchange open on US30, so it was really nice. We caught that push, beautiful push right there. And yep, that would be all, guys. Follow me on Telegram if you want to see me sending the analysis every single day. Make sure to follow me there. Make sure to also subscribe on my YouTube channel so you can see, you know, you can find pretty good information regarding price action on all my strategies, everything we do. So that will be all, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Take it easy. See you next time.